with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, Live Doppler 18 is largely clear right now, but the cold front's still off to the northwest, and that still has to come through and could bring at least a few scattered thunderstorms during the overnight hours. But since July 1st, it's been a case of the haves and the have-nots with the rainfall. Down here in our western and southwest counties, notice some of the rainfall totals, as much as nearly 9 inches of rain here near Fowler and about 7 inches near Pence. Even Rensselaer's had over 4 inches of rain since July 1st, but you head eastward and the totals really start to come down. Here at WLFI, 2.61 inches since July the 1st. But notice here the driest zone from west of Kokomo to Arushaville, that area's had less than 1 inch of rain since July 1st. So notice a lot of these totals are only around 1, maybe up to 2 inches of rain since the 1st of July. And this area is now showing signs of the early stages of drought. So we could use a lot of rain in our eastern counties, not so much in the southwest. And we've had a lot of hurricanes in the Pacific due to a strengthening El Nino. A lot of very warm water, unusually warm water, contributing to all the hurricane activity in the Pacific. But the Atlantic has been quiet. Normally in an El Nino, that warm water strengthens the subtropical jet. And as that jet strengthens, it pretty much rips any hurricane developing in the Atlantic apart. Normally when we're in an El Nino pattern, our winters tend to be a little drier and warmer than normal in our area. So again, that's something to look forward to as we get into the winter months. But tonight, the cold front's off to our northwest. Notice a few little thunderstorms trying to pop on the cold front. So overnight, at least a few scattered thunderstorms still possible as this front slides off to the southeast, and that will usher in less humid air by tomorrow afternoon. So notice on Futurecast, again, the front coming through tonight with a few scattered storms, maybe a storm or two Lafayette south for tomorrow afternoon as the front slowly sinks away, and then cooler and less humid later in the day and into tomorrow night. In fact, tomorrow night, overnight lows, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. So mostly cloudy, a few scattered storms tonight. Winds will go to the northwest. Will drop 65 to 70. Tomorrow, right around 84 for the high. Partly cloudy skies. Still a couple of thunderstorms possible down in our southern counties as winds go to the north and the northwest. Nice and refreshing tomorrow night, as well as Wednesday night. Lows upper 50s to near 60 degrees before the next heat wave arrives. Notice 90s Friday through Monday. And after tonight, and maybe our southern counties for tomorrow, no chance of rain until next Tuesday as the next cold front approaches. So we are making up for the cool July that we had with many days running in the 90s.
I know, I had my AC